To today's lesson, and in our lesson today we are going to look at a revision question which is coming from mathematics paper 1, to be specific on functions. Now the question reads, the functions g and f are defined as a g of x being equal to x minus 2 and f of x being equal to 3x minus 5. Then find the inverse of the function for g. Okay, so how do we solve that one? We need to understand that g of x is the same as y. So that function can be written as y being equal to x minus 1 over what? Over 2. Since we're interested in the x, okay, so at this stage we need to make x the subject of the formula. X is subject of the formula, then we're going to cross multiply. So 1 multiplied by the x minus 1, that will be x minus 1 being equal to 2 multiplied by y, that will be 2y. So when the 1 crosses the equal sign, it's going to change its sign. It will be 2y plus what? Plus 1. Like that. So at this stage, we are able to interchange the variables. Meaning where there was x, we are going to put y, and where there was y, you put x. So therefore we shall say y is equal to 2x plus what? Plus 1. So we say that the inverse of the function for g is equal to 2x plus 1, like that. So that is the answer for question A. Okay, we continue. We now look at B. So B, we are told to find the value of x if f of x is equals to g of x. Okay, so how do we solve that? F of x, okay, being equal to g of what? Of x. So what is the function for f? Okay, what is the function for f? The function for f, it is 3x minus 5 being equal to what is the function for g, okay, which is x minus 1 over 2. So we'll do it over 1 there, then we cross multiply. So this 2 here, it is multiplying 3x minus 5. We are going to say 2 multiplies 3x minus 5 there, being equal to this 1 there is multiplying the x minus 1, which used to be x minus 1. So when the 2 multiplies the 3x, we're going to have 6x there. Then 2 multiplies the negative 5, we're going to have negative 10 being equal to x minus 1. Okay, so at this stage, we're going to put the like terms together. So remember, whenever a number or a variable crosses the equal sign, the sign of operation changes. If it was a negative, it will become a positive. And if it was a positive, it becomes a negative. So here, we're going to have 6x minus x is equal to negative 1 plus what? Plus 10. So 6x minus x is the same as 6 minus 1. That is going to give us a 5x being equal to 9 there. Okay, when you divide both sides by 5, okay, we're going to say x is equal to 9 over 5. Or if you want, you can write it like this: 5 into 9, that is 1. Okay, remainder 4, then over 5, like that. Okay, we continue. C, we are told to find, okay, a composite function of the inverse of g, okay, and and the function for f. So that means we're going to get a function for f and substitute where there is x in the function for the inverse of g. Okay, so this means that this can be written as z, since the function for the inverse of g, it was 2x, so we write 2 there, then we'll put a function there for f, okay, then plus 1. So the inverse of g, function of x, so a function of fx will be equal to 2 there. What is the function of fx? That will be 3x minus 5 there, close bracket, then plus 1. So this will be equal to this number there. It's multiplying everything that is in the brackets. That will be 6x, okay, minus 2 multiplied by 5. We're going to have a 10 there, plus the 1 there. So the inverse of g and the function of x, that is going to be 6x there minus what? Minus 9. Okay, so that is the answer for that question. All right, we have come to the end of today's tutorial. We'll be able to meet next time, as we'll be able to revise another question from